Hi everyone. I hope I'm audible. Sorry for the delay. How are you everyone? Just a second. Let me plug in the mic also. Okay. This session will be, mostly about your preparation and not much about the AIMT4, which means that whatever has happened in the AIMT4, whether it was easy for you, whether it was tough, we will discuss it. But mostly we will discuss the general doubts, right? So let's just get started. Just let me know if everything is fine. Okay. So I'm audible, right? Great. Basically, we had 4 AMTs till now for Gate CSE. And if you are even Gate D aspirant, then also you can definitely watch this session. So there is no problem in watching this session. Uh, so one of the student is saying why you are not bringing Gate DA practice sessions. So for Gate D also we have uploaded AMT1 solutions. We will upload other solutions also. So basically, let's just start, discussing your preparation related doubt. But before that, let me first share things about the AIMT. Okay, AIMT4. So let me share my screen. Yeah, I hope you are able to see my screen. Okay, great. First of all, thank you everyone. Thank you so much from bottom of my heart, and on the behalf of goclasses also, on behalf of Deepak, also on behalf of every team member. Like I would like to thank everyone for attempting this AIMT and for making us believe that yes, ultimately the quality will matter. So basically, like this, this day. So for particularly for today, I'm saying there has been like we have got many comments that there are other coachings, AMTs also, and there are like lot of clash, but still many of the people have appeared here. So really a lot of thank you to everyone, and we have made it a grand success. So ultimately, like when you appear, when you give feedback, then automatically we also get motivated to work hard for the next AMTs. Now there will be the AMT5, and we have very special thing for the AMT5, which we will announce either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Most probably we will announce tomorrow. So there is a big thing that we are coming up with for AMT5, which we will announce tomorrow. Okay, or maybe day after tomorrow. So there is a small announcement, but the thing is big. Okay, so the first time someone will be having in the gate industry. I mean, not it's not very revolutionary, but it's still a great idea that we are going to implement. So thank you everyone for attempting AMT4. In AMT4, there has been 4,134 students, which is remarkable considering that many coachings had AMTs today. So this number is very very good. And in AMT3 also we had similar number. It was 100 or 120 more than the previous, more than the AMT4. But that's fine. Like in AMT3 there were 4,000 to 250 students. In AMT2 there was 4,000 students, and in AMT1 there were 3,750 students. So thank you everyone for appearing in the AMTs, and thank you for making us believe that yes, finally hard work can pay off. So hard work, your hard work will also pay off. And we have been putting a lot of work to create these AMTs, and finally when we see that these numbers are coming, then it is definitely rewarding. So ultimately, see, from my own experience, I can say that hard work never goes to waste. So if you are also preparing, if you are also having the hard work, if you are also doing the hard work, then automatically you will get the rank. So I will show you few stats that I have already shown in the previous sessions, but still, just for the sake of reminder, I will show you few stats here in this session also. Okay. So, by the way, before I move along, let me just tell you that we were having earlier, we were having some problem in the live stream. This was not Go classes problem. This happened to be, universal, at least Asia Pacific region problem. Okay, for from the YouTube side, and YouTube has like we have got latest update from the YouTube, and they are saying that this issue has been fixed. So hopefully today we will not be having any interruption. Okay, this on this link, you can see this discussion is happening on this thread. So hopefully today we will be having this YouTube live very smoothly. So by the way, we have got few comments on AIMT4 also. Like one of the students is saying excellent paper requires a lot of brainstorming and time management. So many of the people felt that this AIMT was lengthier, right? So how many of you felt that? How many of you felt that this AIMT was lengthier? So I think many of you felt that this AMD was lengthier. So basically, we have got many comments regarding that given gave AMT for today, and for Gate CSE, and honestly, the questions were absolutely mind blowing. And yeah, so basically, some of the people were saying that this AMT was lengthier, right? Okay. This AMT felt like that it was testing my skills, and every level from easy to tough, from short to lengthy questions. So basically, this person is saying that this AMT had all type of questions. Okay. Similarly, there has been many other feedback. The quality of the questions in this test is lit, simply lovely. Can't wait to analyze the test and all and so on. So, by the way, there was one question, operating systems related question. Unfortunately, that question got data got mixed up, and finally, that was some inaccuracy in this question. So we will be not considering this question. So sorry about it. Like I will put the actual question later on, but. Unfortunately, I have actually worked I have actually worked especially for this question, to be honest, and I have given a lot of time, but at the time of final formatting, the you know uh, the data got mixed up, and unfortunately it was not the correct question. Okay. Yes, that question was wrong. So now, let me tell you that that what is gate level, because some of the people are saying that was it the gate level or not, and like the level of AMTs is gate level or not. Like some of the people are saying something like this, right? So let me tell you that gate does not have any fixed or constant level. The difficulty level varies year to year. Okay. So like it's not like that gate has any certain fixed benchmark that okay, the topper is always getting 80 marks or topper is always getting 90 marks. See, this year, I mean, the in gate 2025 topper has got 100 marks, so it depends on year to year. Okay. Sometimes the paper is in gate also, sometimes the paper is conceptually heavy, sometimes it is calculation intensive, sometimes it is lengthy and time consuming, and so on. Okay. So, what is gate level? See, different subject have different difficulty level every year. For example, OS may be tough and DBMS may be easy in every year. So, gate doesn't have any fixed level. It is dynamic, not any static level, right? Okay. But we will promise that our AMTs will be varying from conceptual heavy to conceptual intensive to easy, moderate, tough. In every field, like in every area, we will be having the AMTs. Sometimes the some subject might be easy, sometimes some subject might be tough, so and so on. Right. So we promise you that our AMTs uh, will be varying in every type of variety, which means it will be easy also, it will be lengthy also, sometimes it will be tough also, and sometimes it will be calculation heavy also, and so on. So because gate can vary this year, like gate can vary its difficulty level every year. So don't worry too much about the marks. If you have done honest hard work, result will automatically align in your favor. Okay. So let me immediately share you some data about the about how toppers has performed in their first AMT. For example, AIR 336 has got these many marks in his AMTs, and finally he has got AIR 336 in GATE 2025. Ashish, right? Similarly, there are many other person, and obviously like AIR 1 Piyush is must mention. So he has got 53 marks in AMT 1. In AMT 1 he has got 53 marks, and finally in GATE he has got 91 marks. It's not that AMTs are too tough or gate was too easy or something or he has improved in just 1 month. It's not like that. It is just that in gate, if you are worth, you will automatically get that marks. It is just energy of that gate. Okay. On that day, automatically things will align in your favor if you have done hard work. So don't worry too much about the AIMT marks, because there are many people who have performed less in AIMTs and finally they have performed very good in gate. Okay. Yeah. So that is that is in the slides I have. But now let me just take your questions. So see, some of the people are saying that this AIMTs are basically giving the reality check and so on. See, like I will just say that yes, AIMTs are important, but it's not like that. If you are getting less mark, then this is the reality check or something. Okay, so there is no reality check as such. I mean, you will get what you are worth for. So it's not like that if you're getting 40 marks, then in the next AIMT you will be getting greater marks or lesser marks or something like that, or you should be improving the marks only. The marks may not be linearly growing. Okay, you have to understand this, that marks may not be linearly growing, but ultimately, if you are working hard, if you are analyzing the mock test, your conceptual strength is automatically getting strengthened, right? So if your concepts are getting strength, then automatically you will get nice rank, nice marks in gate. Okay. So let me take some doubts here. So let me tell you your feelings. Okay. Okay. One of the student is saying, sir, one general question. Why go classes not take Maha revision type session? Okay, we have almost for all the topics we already have, for all almost all the topics, all the major topics, we already have marathon sessions. If you search, for almost all the topic, for example, for operating systems also, if you search for any topic, for algorithms also, for all the graph algorithms, we already had the session. So if the session is already there, then we don't take it again. Okay, we are just focusing on the AMTs and we are focusing on their video solutions. So if the session is already there, then we don't take it again generally. Okay, one of the students is saying that sir, marks got decreased. See, that's what I'm saying, that you should not be having any target about the marks, that okay, if I'm getting 40 marks now, then next time I should be getting 45, or if I'm getting 60 now, then the next time I should be getting 65. See, irrespective of your marks, see, one of the student has messaged me today that sir, I will be getting, I should be targeting 80 marks before gate in AIMT. So before gate 2026, I'm targeting 80 marks, 80 marks in AIMTs, and gate से पहले मतलब 80 marks लाने ही हैं. Then I told him that whether it is your in next AMT, even see in this AMT he has got I think 65 or say 68 some marks. So he's saying the 80 marks in the next AMT. So I just replied to him that it doesn't matter whether your marks in the next AMT are just 50 or maybe 80. Ultimately you will perform same irrespective of the AMTs. In gate, whatever is going to be your performance, it is going to be same. AMTs are just, or any mock tests are just the practice tests, right? So AMTs are no different from your mock test. Like whatever mock test we had earlier, in our test series, those were AMTs for the previous years also, right? So AMTs are just mock test, and take them as a practice. Do not overthink about the marks of AMTs. Do not overthink about the marks of the mocks. So see, that is the reason we have shown you few examples, that there are many people actually, those who have got very less marks in the AMTs and still they perform very good in gate. So do not, if you keep on worrying about the marks, then it will not benefit you. One thing I can say you, that in the remaining, whatever the remaining 25, 26 days are remaining, right? In those remaining days, if you are doing your best, then automatically best will happen. But if you're overthinking that okay, my marks are decreasing, okay, I'm getting these many marks, and what will happen, the too much things are pending. If you're overthinking, then automatically it will not help. I mean, this is very obvious, right? If you're overthinking, then this will not help. Now, one of the natural question is that how to stop this overthinking. Okay, so because overthinking is also very natural, so how to stop this overthinking? Anyone has a nicer solution for overthinking? See, one of the solution that I actually implemented for the overthinking was that I used to delay it, which means whenever I'm getting some anxiety. So, for example, my syllabus is pending, this particular revision is pending, something like this, right? So whenever I get those kind of feelings, at that time I convince myself that okay, I will be thinking, but I will be thinking it later, which means that currently let me just finish this topic, and I will be thinking at the time of sleep, I will thinking later on. Okay, when I go to the bed, I will be thinking these thoughts later on. So this is how I used to delay my overthinking, and it actually helped me. It practically helped me in gate also. In gate, actually, it is natural for any preparation, because we put many things on the stake. So it is very natural to have those kind of overthinking, because ultimately it is about our future. But one of the best thing that I have implemented to overcome with this overthinking is to delay the overthinking. So whenever you are getting overthinking or something, just see that okay, let me just finish this topic, and then I will be just thinking it later on. Okay, this actually helped me. See, gate is one exam which which will open many doors for you. It will open doors of PSUs. It will open doors of masters. It will open doors of your financial freedom. Which means once you clear gate, you will be automatically very much confident about at least the financial things. I mean, you will not be worrying much. Obviously, I'm not saying that you will be Ambani. Okay, it can never happen. It is just one exam, but definitely it will level up your things, and you don't have to you don't have to overthink about your basic necessities. And gate has that power. Like, gate is actually the gateway to open many things. So just aim for only one thing, which is that this time, which means just for the 25 days, do your best. The only focus, the only aim for you should be is to top in gate, and no other aim. See, even if your marks are, let's suppose your marks are 50, your marks are 60, your marks are even 40, 20, 14, doesn't matter. Okay, even you are not clearing the cutoff, which is like you are not getting above 25, then also doesn't matter. Your aim should be that you should be performing whatever best can be in those 25 days. Some of the people have already thought that okay, let me just drop the idea of gate this year, and I will be preparing for the gate next year. Okay, some of the people are thinking like this. How many of you are thinking like that? Okay, I will be just preparing for the gate next year, and I will be not preparing gate this year. How many of you are thinking like this? See, whatever is your thinking, that okay, I will be preparing gate next year, not this year, or whatever is your thinking, you just remember one thing is that these thinkings will never ever help you to clear anything in life. Okay, it will never help you for gate 2027 also. If you're thinking that okay, you will be clearing gate 2027, okay, it will never help you to clear gate 2027 also. Even if you want to clear gate 2027, still my suggestion is that perform your best in gate 2026. Then you can take 1 month break and 2 month break, whatever you want to take a break. Okay, but first perform your best in gate 2026. Even if you want to be the richest person, or whatever you want to do in your life, okay, do it later on after those 25 days. Okay, whatever plans you have, just for those 25 days, postpone those plans, because those are not plans, those are just excuses that you're giving to yourself to be in the comfort zone. Okay, so someone is saying that, sir, what would you do if you are in our position and getting 40 marks? See, honestly, I'm saying to you, that I would be just studying, like honestly. And there are like many people, like I've just shown you one of the example of Air 46, right? Kushal in the screen. Let me just show it again. See, he used to get, I mean, okay, in one of the AMT he has got better marks, but he used to get around 50, right? In all the AMTs, and ultimately he has got AIR 49. Kushal Ghosh. Air 49. So whatever marks you are getting, you never know that how you are going to perform in gate, right? You never know. So see here that after all the AMTs, he's saying, I don't know if it is improvement or not, but I learned a lot. This is how the toppers think. Okay. This is the toppers mindset, to be very honest. And that's the topper mindset. And that's what we have commented. But I learned a lot. And finally he has got Air 49, right? So do not overthink about the marks. Those marks are not any reality check. Let me tell you very honestly. Okay, those marks are not reality check or something. Those are just for the preparation. As a coaching, obviously we have to provide you the preparation material. We have to provide you the test. As a student, you are just attempting the test as a part of your preparation, as a practice test. Do not overthink itna, matlab do not take it on the heart on mind that okay, these marks are going to change your life. No, these marks are not going to change your life. Gate is going to change your life. Though these 25 days are going to change your life, not these marks, not these AIMTs and these things. These are just going to help you in preparation, but marks are not going to help you. Like even if you're getting 100 out of 100 here, they are not going to help you anyhow in the gate, right? Yes, the preparation is going to help you. The time that you are spending in analyzing, the time that you are spending in attempting the test, this is going to help you. So so do not overthink that much, okay, about the marks. So one of the student is saying that I like to I listen to music, calm down, for relieving my anxiety. So whatever is working for you, if you want to listen to the music, or if you want to go for a walk, whatever is working for you, just do it. See, let me tell you one thing, that if you do your best for these 25 days, for the upcoming 25 days, then you are automatically be self satisfied. Okay. And having no regret and having, self satisfaction is far, far more important than anything else. So if before gate, if you can say that yes, you have done your best in this preparation. Yes, there are ups and downs with everyone's phase, that happens. But before gate attempt, before 8th of 8th of February, or before gate CSE or gate DA, okay. So whenever is your gate, before gate, if you can say that okay, yes, I have done my best during this preparation, then you just believe me that it is automatically, so much satisfying feeling, that you automatically perform very good in gate. So let me tell you my story, that what happened with me. Before gate, obviously I have prepared very hard. I have done a lot of hard work. You can see from gate outflow comments. How many of you see my gate outflow comments from gate 2000 from gate 2020 2017, which means in December 2016 I have put lot of comments. I was very active in December 2016 and January 2017 on gate outflow. How many of you have seen my comments? I think many of you have seen, right? So so see, I was too much involved. I was too much involved in my preparation. I was too much involved in my studies, that before gate I was just so satisfying, that let me tell you one story, that my mom asked me that in Hindi, in Hindi she asked me that कि मतलब इस बार गेट क्लियर हो जाएगा क्या. And I just out of nowhere, automatically from my mind, it came to me, and I told her कि आई डू नॉट नो कि गेट क्लियर होगा कि नहीं होगा, बट मुझे इतना पता है कि अगर अभी क्लियर नहीं हुआ तो फिर कैसे क्लियर होता है वो मुझे नहीं पता. सो दिस वॉज द रिप्लाई दैट आई गेव टू हर, एंड दिस इज द रिप्लाई आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग यू फ्रॉम यू ऑल्सो. Before you attempt gate, okay, You should be replying in the same way कि मुझे अब नहीं पता कि गेट फिर कैसे क्लियर होता है, मैंने अपना बेस्ट दिया है. If you are doing so, if you are doing your best, then automatically you will be able to reply. Okay, if you are not doing your best, then somehow you will not be able to reply. So just for the remaining 25 days, do not think too much. Just prepare. Okay, just do your best. Just keep on preparing, keep on studying. Yes, you can obviously take breaks whenever it is needed, but don't over break it. Okay, so don't spend just 2 3 days in having the chill and so on, right? So this is all I wanted to discuss. Most importantly, I wanted to discuss that do not overthink about the marks. Okay, I cannot come into your mind, I cannot come to your home to make it believe that yes, hard work will definitely pay off, but you have to trust the process, and automatically you will be saying the same thing after gate, that yes, hard work pays off. Okay, so thank you everyone for staying up. I won't take much of your time here. Okay, just it was just a small session. Do not feel demotivated. Do not overthink so much. Okay, thank you everyone. Take care. Just let us know in the comments that how was this AMT, how's your feeling, and anything you wanted to discuss. Okay, let us know in the comments. Thank you.